How to create your own sandstone texture background in DaVinci Resolve 18.6.5. Inside your project's edit window, go to Effects. Underneath the toolbox, select Effects, and go to drag a Fusion composition edit to your timeline. Using the selection mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, you can click on the end of the Fusion composition clip and drag your mouse cursor to resize manually to adjust the duration of your clip. Go to right click on your Fusion composition clip and go to Open in Fusion page. Inside your nodes panel, select the rectangle tool. Deselect this new node by clicking anywhere on the empty nodes grid and go to select a background tool. Click on the grey box to the right of rectangle 1, hold your mouse button down and drag your mouse cursor to the blue arrow alongside background 1 to make a connection. The rectangle shape will make up the form of our canvas, and we will apply one of the sandstone texture colours using the background tool. With background 1 selected, hold in Shift and press space. Use the search box at the bottom of the select tool window to find the displace tool. Select this and go to click on add. Connect displace 1 to media out 1. Deselect your nodes once again, hold in Shift and press space, and finally go to add a fast noise tool. Click on the grey box of this new node and drag this to the green arrow of displace 1 so that a distortion effect will appear in front of your background colour. Ensure that media out 1 is selected with either the left or right view options selected underneath so that you can see a preview of your work as you follow the instructions in this tutorial. Select rectangle 1, under Inspector and Controls, untick Solid and tick the Invert option so that you can see the colour applied from your background node spread across the whole canvas. Select the background node and double click on the colour box underneath background, and we will add the following colour shade to the base of our sandstone texture. This comprises of the hexadecimal code #FFDC88, which you can type in manually in the HTML box at the bottom of your colour window. Click OK once you're done. Now go to select Displace 1. Underneath Controls in Inspector, with type set to radial, change refraction channel from luma to alpha. Decrease offset to -0.5. Increase refraction strength to 2. Increase light power to 3. And change light channel from colour to luma. Now select Fast Noise 1. Change detail from 2 to 20. Increment contrast to 15. You should now see a sand texture appearing on your preview screen. To ensure that there is no animation applied to your texture effect, ensure that the Seath variables have the value 0 applied to these. Increasing the value for scale will change the appearance of your texture to make it look like a terrain. Rotate the texture using the angle option. If you wish to reduce the vibrancy of your sandstone texture, return to Displace and reduce the value of light power. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.